Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Steam account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Steam application and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into the Steam homepage. Now from this page, just click on the Steam menu at the top left corner and then click on Settings. From the Settings page, just click on Account Details and this will take you into your account details page. Now within this page, scroll all the way down and you will find the Delete My Steam Account option. You can simply click on it and then you will need to verify that you own this account. Just click on Proceed to Account Deletion and then you will receive a verification code within your email. After you verify your information, you will be asked whether you want to confirm your account deletion. Once you click on the confirm button, your account will be locked for 30 days, and if you don't log back in within this time, then this will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your Steam account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.